Alright guys, today I'm making oha soup, and first off I need to cover my hair. Now that I'm done, let's cook. So first off, I'm gonna pour in my meat stock, and in goes my okporoko. It's been a while I did a full video, but today I just decided to do a full video. So I pour in more water and allow it sit a bit, boils a while, and I add my oil. Yes, I'm using oil because ikadrome baku. So now that it's done, the main ingredient, which is ogiri. There are different types of ogiri, the oba and the egusi, but I prefer to use the oba because it is kind of cool. It's quiet. That's the one I love. So I put in all my ingredients, and it's time to put my cocoyam, blended cocoyam. When I tell people that I make tasty meals, like tasty meals without having to use the artificial seasoning, they are like, what is she talking about? Who's gonna eat what she cooks? How would that taste, my darling? If you don't know, be open to learning. This pot of soup has no artificial sweetener, and it tastes as good as. Meanwhile, back to my cooking, guys. I'm done cooking.